Hello students, how are you all? Today I am giving you a quick reason on a chapter number 2, that is fraction and decimal. So take a look and revise your concept so that you can easily attempt the questions of objective as well as subjective worksheet. So let's start or revise your concept of chapter number 2, that is fraction and decimal. Fraction. So, fraction tell about a part of a whole. Here is an example of pizza in which 3 by 4, that is 3 is a numerator and 4 is a denominator. Here the pizza is divided into 4 equal parts and there are 3 parts left with us because if one part of it we have eaten. So, there is a fraction that was 3 by 4. Now, general form of a fraction. Fraction is equals to numerator upon denominator, where denominator is equals to or never equals to be 0. If numerator equals to denominator, then the fraction becomes a whole or it's a complete part, means that is 1. अगर हमारा न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर के इक्वल हो जाता है मीन्स दोनों की वैल्यू 1 हो जाती है, लाइक न्यूमरेटर भी 1 और डिनोमिनेटर भी 1, और वेदर 2 upon 2 means 2 ones and 2 ones means 2 by 2, that is also 1. So whole it form a whole, that is 1. This is called unity of fraction. Now come to types of fraction. First one is proper fraction. Proper fraction, the numerator is always smaller than the denominator. Example is 3 by 8. Here numerator is 3 and denominator is 8, where numerator means 3 is less than 8. So it's a proper fraction. Now come to our next one, that is improper fraction, in which numerator is larger than the denominator. Here 7 by 5. 7 is a numerator which is greater than the 5. 5 is a denominator. Now comes to an equivalent fraction, in which are those which are written with the different numerator or a denominator pair but the result is same, like 2 into 12, that is 24, is equals to 3 into 8, that is also 24. Now 2 by 3 or 8 by 12. 8 by 12 come in the table of 4. So 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Next one is mixed fraction. When a fraction is composed of a whole number and a fraction, जिसमें एक whole part होना चाहिए और हमारे पास fraction part है, इनके combination को क्या बोलते हैं? Mixed fraction. Now come to our next slide. Now come to our next one, that is converting a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Here is an example like 1 and 3 by 4. 1 is here whole and 3 by 4 is a fraction. First of all, what you have to do, you have to multiply the denominator of mixed fraction to the whole number and then it should be added to the numerator. So 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 3, that is 7 by 4. So it's changed into the improper fraction. Now come to converting an improper fraction into a mixed fraction, in which divide the numerator by the denominators, that the quotient will be the whole number and the remainder will be the numerator, while denominator will be the w or written as a w. Like here 7 by 4 is here, so 4 को हमने जब 7 से divide किया, so 4 ones are 4, remainder is 3. So 1 is a whole number, 3 is a numerator and 4 which is a our divisor. So 4 will be the denominator. So here is an example shown on the slide. Now equivalent fraction. In equivalent fraction, to find the equivalent fraction of a proper and improper fraction, we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator with the same number. Like in example 1 by 2 is here, हमने 1 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, सिमिलरली 2 को भी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, so 1 2s are 2, 2 into 2 4, so answer is 2 by 4. Reciprocal of a fraction. In reciprocal of a fraction, if we have two non-zero numbers whose product is 1, then these numbers must be the reciprocal of each other. Like if we have written 3 by 4, so we have to interchange their positions, like numerator become a denominator and denominator become a numerator, like 3 by 4 and it become a 4 by 3. If there will be a minus 3 by 4, so it can be a minus 4 by 3, because साइन की पोजीशन चेंज नहीं होती है, सिर्फ हमें नंबर्स को इंटरचेंज करना है, मीन्स उनकी पोजीशंस को चेंज करना है. एडिशन ऑफ अ फ्रैक्शन ऑफ अ टू फ्रैक्शंस. Here are three methods. First method is cross multiply. As it's shown in a figure or in an example that 1 by 8 plus 1 by 3. Here 1 और 3 को हम cross multiply करेंगे and 8 और 1 को हम multiply करेंगे. So 1 into 3 that is 3. 8 into 1 8 and 8 into 3 that is 24. So 3 plus 8 is 11 and 24 is at its remaining position, that is on denominator. So 11 by 24 is a answer. This is a simplest way to add the two fractions. Now second method is equivalent fraction. In equivalent fraction you have to do that 3 by 4 and 1 by 3 is given to you. Okay, so make their denominator equal. Like 4 को मैं किससे multiply करूँ so that it become 12 and 3 को मैं किससे multiply करूँ so that it become 12. So 3 by 4 means दोनों को मुझे 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, तभी डिनोमिनेटर में 12 आएगा. So 3 into 3 that is 9 and 4 into 3 that is 12. Similarly 1 into 4 is a 4, 3 into 4 is a 12. Now डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो ऊपर की टर्म्स को डायरेक्टली हम ऐड कर सकते हैं. So 9 plus 4 is 13 और इसको हम मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. So it become 1 and 1 by 12. Next is LCM method, which is very important method and this is the best method also. Now 2 by 3 plus 1 by 12, इन दोनों का हम सबसे पहले LCM ले लेंगे. 3 और 12 का LCM लेंगे तो 3 into 4 that is 12. एंड सेकेंड स्टेप इज, अब हम क्या करेंगे, हम 3 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें सो दैट इट बिकम अ 12. हम सिंपली क्या कर सकते हैं, हम 12 लिखेंगे और फिर हम 3 को 12 से डिवाइड कर 12 को 3 से डिवाइड करके देखेंगे, इट रिजल्ट इज 4. अब हमें 4 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, 2 से. सो 2 into 4 is 8 plus 1 upon 12. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So answer is 9 by 12. Now come to a subtraction of two fraction. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 8 or 1 by 3 minus 1 by 8. This is a similar as an addition, but here we have a sign change. That is, on the place of plus there is a sign of negative. So 1 by 3 minus 1 by 8. हम क्या करेंगे, cross multiply again. 8 minus 3 and 3 into 4 8, that is 24. So 8 minus 3 is 5 and 24 on its remain position. So here is a 5 by 24. Similarly, in the second method also, here is a 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. So हमने क्या करना है, सबसे पहले इनको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 4 into 3 that is 12. So 4 को हमने 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, 3 को भी 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So 9 by 12 minus 4 by 12. So 12 अपनी पोजीशन पे रहेगा, मीन्स डिनोमिनेटर रहेगा. So 9 minus 4 that is 5. So answer is 5 by 12. Multiplication of two fractions. So multiplication of two fraction in which we have to just multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 2 into 2 that is 4 and 3 into 5 that is 15. So 4 by 15. और अगर आपके पास कोई ऐसी टर्म्स आ जाती हैं जो एक दूसरे से कट हो सकती हैं, बट रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, न्यूमरेटर हमेशा डिनोमिनेटर के साथ कट होगा और डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर के साथ. कभी डिनोमिनेटर डिनोमिनेटर के साथ कट नहीं हो सकता, ना ही न्यूमरेटर न्यूमरेटर के साथ. सो अगर न्यूमरेटर में 3 है, लाइक इन एग्जाम्पल, एंड 6 इज एट डिनोमिनेटर प्लेस, सो वी कैन सिंपली कट इट. मीन्स 3 1s and 3 2s are 6. सो 7 and 2 into 9 क्या हो जाएंगे, मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे. सो 2 into 9 is 18 बिकॉज ये फर्दर कट नहीं हो रहे थे. सो आंसर इज 7 by 18. Now division of two fraction. In this part also what we have to do, जो हमारे पास फर्स्ट टर्म होती है लाइक 4 by 5 is given to us, वो रिमेन पोजिशन पर रहेगा. डिवीजन साइन चेंज इनटू मल्टीप्लिकेशन and 2 by 3 become a reciprocal. ओके, इन रेसिप्रोकल व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में चेंज हो जाएगा, डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर में. सो 2/3 बिकम अ 3/2. सो अगर ये कट नहीं हो सकते सो हम सिंपली क्या करेंगे, उन्हें मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. सो 4 into 3 दैट इज 12 एंड 5 into 2 इज 10. सो 12/10. अब इसको मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में आप कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. सो 1 and 1/5 इज योर आंसर. आगे हम क्या कर सकते हैं, टू डिवाइड अ फ्रैक्शन विद अनदर फ्रैक्शन वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई द फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन विद द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन. रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, फर्स्ट हमारे पास टर्म एज इट इज रहती है और सेकेंड टर्म को हम रेसिप्रोकल कर देते हैं और डिवीजन साइन चेंज इनटू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो आंसर इज 1 and 1/5. Now come to a decimal. Now decimal numbers, fraction which has denominators 10, 100, 1000, etc. are called a decimal fraction. A decimal number is a number with a decimal point. Numbers left to the decimals are 10 greater and numbers to the right of the decimal are a 10 smaller. So here is an example in which a decimal is given at the 5th position. So we can say after decimal there will be a tenths, hundredths and thousands. And before decimal there is a ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. Now multiplication of two decimal numbers. If we have to multiply a decimal number by 10, then we will transfer the decimal point to the right by a 1 place. In earlier classes also you have done this portion that how we can multiply it. अगर हमारे पास 10 है हम उसको सिंपली क्या करते हैं, राइट साइड में शिफ्ट कर देते हैं. बिकॉज अगर हमारे पास ऑलरेडी एक डेसिमल नंबर है और अगर हम 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है या 100 से या 1000 से, तो हम उसे सिंपली राइट साइड पर और मूव कर देते हैं. सो हियर इज आवर आंसर. Similarly, in case of division also, division of two decimal numbers, here is we have to move now decimal to the left side. Multiplication में हम right side पर move करते हैं, but division के केस में और decimal अगर हमारे पास नंबर गिवन है और हमें डिवीजन करना है तो हमारे पास जो डेसिमल नंबर है दैट मूव्स टू अ लेफ्ट साइड इफ वी डिवाइड बाय 10, 100 और 1000 नंबर. Hope students you have revised well your chapter number 2 fraction and decimal through this video and make your concept clear. And if you having any doubt you can clear this video or clear through this video and make your objective and subjective worksheet very well. And so best of luck for that, and listen this video carefully and try to attempt each and every part of your book. So take care and take care of your family. Bye bye.